Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to reset and restart this Nest Cam with floodlights. This video is about the Nest camera with a floodlight and what you need to do for a hard reset or a factory reset. There are a couple of reasons you might want to do this. The first reason is you are having a problem with the camera. It's not working or not connecting or not responding to the Nest app. At that point, a hard reset should fix your problem. The next reason you might want to do a reset is you're trying to get this camera set up as a new camera, and you just want to get everything wiped off the camera history. I'm going to show you how to do these tasks very simply. We will be able to do this right from the Nest app on your phone. First, we will need to access the back of the camera right here. You need to make sure that the power is connected because you need power to reset the camera and then to reinstall the camera. Access to the reset button is on the back of the camera. It is located right here. Next, you want to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the status light will blink and you will hear a confirmation chime. You now have a hard reset to your camera. If you hold the reset button down for a few more seconds, you will hear another confirmation chime. That will let you know that you have obtained a factory reset. If you are doing a hard reset, you will need to delete the camera from your Nest app. You can now set up the camera as a new camera by following these instructions. First, you will need to open the Google Home app. Then go to Settings. On the display, you will need to select the Add button at the bottom right-hand corner. Next, it will take you to this page where you will select the Add a Device button. Next, it will take you to the Setup Device page, and you will need to select the Google Nest or partner devices. Then, it will ask you to choose a home, which should be the name of your Google app. Then the app will begin to look for all the devices in your house. This will take a couple of minutes. Then it will display several different choices to pick from. You are going to want to select the camera button. Next, it will ask you what product you are setting up, and you will select the Nest camera with floodlight. Once you select the Nest camera with floodlight, the app will ask you to scan your QR code. Your QR code should have been on the camera when you purchased the camera. What I always recommend is that you take a picture of the QR code and store the QR code picture on the computer someplace. Or keep all your QR codes in an envelope for possible future use. As you can see, my QR code has been printed up from a storage file on my computer. Once you scan the QR code, the Nest app will begin the setup. It's going to give you a couple of questions and you need to agree to those terms. Once you agree, it will start to prepare your device to be programmed into your app. This takes a couple of minutes, but everything is pretty much self-explanatory. It's going to be giving you a step-by-step process of what's happening. Once you're connected, it's going to want to connect you to your Wi-Fi. Find your Wi-Fi name on the list provided and select your Wi-Fi. Then it's going to ask you to enter your password. Once you enter the password, it will start to connect you to your Wi-Fi. That's going to take a couple of minutes. Once you are connected, then the program goes into the finishing up phase. It takes a couple of minutes also, but not too bad. Once you're finished, it's going to connect your phone directly to the camera, and then it's going to take about a minute to get that all set up. Once that's done, it's going to give you multiple selections where the device can be located. I picked the custom room, selected and wrote my own selection. Once you make your location selection, the app will finish the update, and then you will see that your camera is operating. Finally, you have completed the installation. Congratulations. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.